Hello, a pleasant day to all of you. My name is Jemima V. Kausaren. I am 32 years old. I am single and I am a born-again Christian and I am from the Philippines. My father is a farmer and my mother is a full-time missionary pastor. I have 5 siblings. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the eldest one, the second is 31 years old, the third is 28 years old, the fourth is 18 years old, and the last one, my brother, is 17 years old. I graduated in Associate in Computer Science. I am also good in communicating with people with English language in use. I also became a kindergarten teacher for 4 years. I taught them basic math, English, reading, and writing, and I am currently a Sunday school teacher here in our church right now. Aside from teaching and computer jobs, I am also good in deep cleaning. I like cleaning and organizing many things. I can do a deep cleaning in the house, especially in the kitchen, in the rooms, and in the CR. Aside from cleaning, I can also do cooking. I know many Filipino dishes to cook like adobo, sinigang, nilaga, sweet and sour pork or fish, stir-fry vegetables, and many more. I like experimenting while cooking and I like to learn more about cooking and willing to learn every dishes that I know in YouTube or in anything or in any platform. I can also bake simple breads like cookies. I can say that I am a responsible person, true, honest, caring, kind, respectful, and hardworking. I am also a fast learner and can easily adapt to new environment. I am fun to be along with because I am just a simple person. Hoping to meet you soon. Have a great day!